and you break your mama's back.
Oh, my God! Please stop playing. For the love of God, stop playing!